Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, my name's Olivia. I'm the benefits coordinator here with Senior Resource Services. I'm just following up with you about that benefit card we mailed out regarding the state-approved plan. We tried reaching you a couple times, but never really got a hold of you. So I was just wondering, did you ever get a chance to look into those benefits? Or was there something that kind of held you back?
I never got the card.
Yeah, that's okay. It's been a little while, so I wouldn't expect you to remember everything on it. Basically,
What?
it was regarding the state-approved plan that covers for the medical bills and final expense for folks, particularly on fixed income or Social Security disability.
Are you
I never
AI?
got through the eligibility part with you. So can you please confirm, are you between 50 and 80 years old?
I am.
Okay, gotcha. That's really all I needed to check on my end. I'm going to get you over to one of my associates to walk you through the benefits. Then you can decide whether any of it makes sense for you. Hang on just a sec.
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much for staying on the line. This is Alex Barton. How are you doing today?
Fine.
All right. Well, this call is regarding finance plan whole life insurance plan, which is designed to cover 100% of your future burial, cremation, start and medical bills for any death and obligation that you may leave. So, just for a qualifying purpose, may I know how old are you?
69.
69. All right. And at the age of 69, do you make your own financial decisions by yourself, or you have a legal power of that?
All by myself. I'm a big girl.
That's it. You're the boss of your house. All right.
Damn right I am.
All right, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, is this a cell phone or a landline?
Why does that matter?
Are you able to receive text message or email on another number?
I can receive email.
All right. In order to pull out the rate from your local area, what is your 5-digit zip code?
44138.
44138.
Mm-hmm.
All right. How's the weather where you are?
Fine. What's that got to do with whole life insurance?
I'm just asking. By the way, ma'am, your name is Jennifer,
Correct.
and what is your last name?
Italia.
Itala.
Italia.
All right. All right, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, that's all from my side. Now I'm going to bring my licensed agent on the same line who will assist you further. If you have any question, feel free and ask him. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Please stay on the line. The line is connecting. On an expense apartment, this is Michael. How are you?
Fine.
Great. I understand that you already been on the phone with us for several minutes. I'll do my best to expedite the process. But first, telling you what level of benefit you can qualify for. Am I speaking with Jennifer Italia?
Correct.
Got you, ma'am. And you live in Olmsted Falls,
Correct.
Ohio?
Correct.
Got you. And ma'am, the number we're talking on, is that a cell phone or is that a landline?
Why does that matter?
Well, the insurance companies that we're working with, they require a cell phone. That's why.
Well, I've talked to Trans-American, American Amicable, Mutual of Omaha. They didn't seem to care.
Seems scared for what?
They didn't care if my phone was a landline or a cell phone.
Well, the insurance companies that we are working with, all right, they require the cell phone because they will send you the instant approval over the phone. That's why.
They told me email was sufficient, but yeah, when I was talking,
Yeah, email is also good.
I've talked to Securico, Sentinel Security, Trans-American, Mutual of Omaha, American Amicable, American Home Life, Aetna, through Ascendo, Corebridge, AIC, Americo, and Royal Navies of America. So are you saying that you are offering services through other insurance agencies? Or were those the ones you were talking about?
Through brokerage agencies.
Yeah.
Brokerage agencies, I'm talking about, yeah.
Yeah, they don't care if this is a landline or a cell phone. I can provide you the quotes if you want.
Sure, not a problem. So, Miss Jennifer, let me ask you a fair question here. A lot of my clients would like to use this coverage for 3 different reasons.
Cremation and to leave money for my children.
For the valid mode of payment, do you have a check-in or savings account with a bank?
Well, I don't ship money and pay my bills that way.
Okay. So, Miss Jennifer, the prices depend on your health conditions. I'll ask you some of
I do not
questions and let
smoke. I
you
have no
know.
medical conditions. Are you exasperated because I already know the answers to your questions? Do you need to read the
Ma'am, are
script?
you looking for the policy or just?
How can I? Am I looking for the policy? I actually know what you're gonna ask. Woo, dumbass. Hello? Hello?
Hi, this is Mark. I'm calling you from behalf of Medical. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Good to know that. Actually, may I speak with Jennifer Italia?
This is Jennifer.
Nice to meet you. And Jennifer, I'm from behalf of Medical, and I just see that you don't have any cell phone and you're talking to me with your landline. Is that correct?
Wait, this is a cell phone. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, it's a cell phone. Oh, I really apologize. I really apologize. And Jennifer, you don't smoke. Is that correct?
I do not.
Yeah. So now you are perfectly eligible for getting a care package. In the care package, you will be receiving items like acetaminophen, vitamin D, chest condition leaf, magnesium, and the latest COVID test at no cost. It's a free of cost. You don't need to pay a single penny from your own pocket. All right.
Okay.
And Jennifer, I have your address on file. Rancho Cordova, California 95670, right?
Sure. Yeah.
I got it. And after a call, we will going to send you text message. Are you able to receive your text message and reply on that?
I don't usually. I usually don't do text messages just because of all the
Oh,
this,
actually,
just because of all the scam links and
yes.
stuff that come through.
All right, all right. So I will tell you after you complete the process. You don't need to click any link. You just need to type yes and send to them because we will send you update regarding your package information. So that's the reason we just need to confirm your number so we can send you a message.
You need to
Confirm your
confirm
number.
my
You just
number
need
while
to
you're
reply
talking
yes.
to me on it. Make that make sense.
Yeah, I know that. Are you able to reply yes message? Are you able to reply that?
I could, I guess.
All right. So just bear with me. Let me just read the delivery process. And what I'm going to do that I'm just verify a few details because we are going to send you text message to confirm your number. So just bear with me. Just bear with me. All right. So just bear with me, and I'm just asking a few questions about your symptoms.
I
So
don't have a text
to
message
verify it.
yet.
Just bear with me.
I don't have
You
anything.
don't have a text message yet?
You didn't send me anything.
Oh, I'm saying No. I will send you after the call. We will complete the procedure, Spina. I will ask a few questions. It's a survey, and then I will send you. All right?
Oh God, I have to do. The last time the guy
All
didn't
right.
know what he was doing, and then he hung up on me because
Oh.
I'd already given Medi-Cal permission to send me text messages, and he was weird. So, but he asked me all sorts of really intrusive questions that had absolutely nothing to do with over-the-counter stuff for this care package for cold and flu season.
All right. So Jennifer, from my side, it's our first call and the last call, and I really apologize for all the stuff who's someone does with you. But it's my promise. I'm just asking a few questions because of symptom because we will send you the item for your symptom. That's the reason. All right. Just bear with me. Let me just quickly arrange the delivery process.
All right.
Just bear with me. Hi, this is Mark. I'm calling you from your New Hope Pharmacy in California, calling on a recorded and secure line. I'm reaching out because your medical plan now cover over-the-counter health product at no cost to you. We are sending out a COVID and care package with items to help with fever, headache, condition, and more. I just need to verify a few details to make sure we send everything to the right place. To ensure we have your correct information for all, could you please verify a few details for me? I have your first name is Jennifer and your last name is spelled like Italia, right?
It is spelled Italia. It's not spelled like Italia. It is Italia.
Oh, yeah. It is correct?
I just correct. Oh my God. Never mind. Go ahead.
And your address on file is Rancho Cordova, California 95670, right?
Mm-hmm.
And your gender is female, right?
It is.
And can you please verify me what is your date of birth?
April 1st, 1993.
I got it. Based on your symptom, we make your item like acetaminophen, vitamin D, chest condition leaf, magnesium, and COVID test. Everything is fully covered by Medical. We will send you the appropriate item for your symptom. I need to ask you a few questions about your symptoms. Have you had a recent exposure to anyone with COVID-19 in the past 7 days?
I don't know.
So you can say no. I just need your concern. Can you say no?
I that would be answering dishonestly. I do not know.
All right. And have you had a recent exposure to anyone with COVID-19 more than 7 days ago?
I don't know. I've been around sick people, but whether they had COVID or not, I don't know. They could have had the flu. I don't know.
All right. And can you just say no?
That would be a lie. And if you work with Medi-Cal, you know lying to Medi-Cal has severe repercussions. There's consequences to that. I do not know.
All right. And by the way, do you have a cancer?
What does that have to do with COVID or anything? What?
I will tell you. I will send you the appropriate item for your symptom. That's the reason
You
I'm
can't
asking
give
you
me
to have a
appropriate
cancer.
it's anything for symptoms for cancer. That requires chemotherapy and radiation therapy, which can only be done in a doctor's office. What the hell are you talking about?
All right, ma'am. I'm on a recording line, and I just need your answer in yes or no. Like, do you have something, you can say yes. If you don't have something and you don't know about that, you can just say no.
That would be lying to Medi-Cal. That's bad. The state has.
We are on a recording line. There's not be a line. We are on a recording line. All the callers is recording.
So you say you're with Medi-Cal and you're telling me to lie in violation of California law.
I'm not telling you to say a lie. I'm just asking, like, if you don't have something, you can say no. Because we just take your concern.
What? What does cancer? You can't send me anything for cancer. Why are you even asking?
Actually, there has been some item that has been allergic to a cancer people. That can be very harmful people. That's the reason we are just asking.
Well, you're going to send me some pot?
I'm saying you, ma'am, listen to me carefully. I'm telling you, like, in the care package, there has been a multiple vitamin. There has been
You're breaking up.
There are not for people for cancer.
You're breaking up.
That's the reason I'm asking.
You're getting all digital. I can't hear you. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, my name is Jennifer. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Well, this short call is about auto insurance. Do you have a car, right?
That's why you called.
Okay, so if you are able to offer you something a lot lower and cheaper than what you might think about it, or you can consider that as an option for you in future, right?
Probably.
Okay, so ma'am, what's your zip code?
44138.
Okay, so ma'am, I have need all the information from my side, so I will connect to my senior associate. They will further assist you. You simply tell them I am here to get free quotes on my auto insurance, okay?
Yeah, because I don't know what to say because I've never done this before. Glad you gave me that advice. Appreciate it.
Ma'am, listen. The best thing is that your concern is never required to buy or change anything.
Mm-hmm.
Just check the rate. If you find get better and cheaper, then go ahead. Otherwise, there is no cost and no obligation for you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate it, ma'am. Here we go.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Why would I go with a company that's so fucking rude? Wow.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Ma'am, just stay with me. Make sure don't hang up, okay?
Don't put me on hold.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, which insurance provider are you currently with? It's like
State Farm.
Geico, State Farm.
Jesus.
Okay, so, ma'am.
If you ask me a question, a question, it is polite to pause so I can answer you.
Okay, so ma'am, just stay with me. I will connect to my senior associate. They will further assist you.
Don't put me on hold.
Your call is very
Fucking
important
A.
to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Wow. Guess you're too busy fucking goats.
So staying on the line, this is Zach. How you doing?
Fine.
That's great. Good to hear that. So just to confirm, you are here to get some free quotes on your auto insurance.
That's why I was transferred to you. The fact you guys don't communicate bothers me, but whatever. Hello? Are you a dipshit too? Jesus. Your country, are you just full of idiots? In your country? Are you the reason you live in a shithole country? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, my name is Lisa.
I'm calling to share information about final expense coverage that can help protect your family from end-of-life expenses and may offer affordable coverage options. So can you please confirm, are you between 50 and 80 years old?
I am.
You're now qualified for the new state-approved relief program. Let me connect you with our product specialist. Please stay on the line.
For staying on the line, my name is Austin. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Okay, so ma'am, this call is about new whole life insurance plan which cover burial and cremation expenses. So just to qualify, how old are you?
69.
Okay, and I'm speaking with Jennifer Italia.
Correct.
Okay, so Jennifer, your zip code is 44138, right?
Correct.
Okay, so Jennifer, now I will connect you call my senior supervisor on the line. They will further assist you. Stay on the line, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Stay on the line, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, is that okay from your side?
I affirm. That was an affirmative.
Stay on the line, okay?
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much for staying on the line. My name is Sebastian Harris. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Jennifer.
All right, Jennifer, how are you and how's the day going so far?
Fine.
Okay. So, Jennifer, you were speaking to one of my associates regarding an insurance policy to cover your end-of-life expenses, and you got transferred over to me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a final expense advisor, and we are the largest network of final expenses, appointed with 40 different top-rated insurance companies. We are licensed in 49 states, and we are helping around 20,000 families every single year to help them get a whole life insurance to cover their final expenses. So, I see you're 69 and living in the state of Ohio.
Mm-hmm. That's correct.
Okay. Now, most of the persons that I speak with, they would like to get this policy to either cover their
Cremation
burial,
and leave money for
or
my
to leave
kids.
money. Well, have you made any pre-arrangements for your cremation?
Not really. Hello? Oh my god, another idiot. Can't even finish your jobs. You know, you guys are the reasons you live in shithole countries. Hello?
Hey, this is Gia. How are you?
Fine.
I'm calling from American Benefits, and so I can see that you already have health insurance, but it looks like you did not receive your allowance card and grocery card. Is that correct?
Yeah, I didn't know anything about those.
I'm sorry.
I don't know. I don't know about the card you're talking about.
Okay, this is in regards to your health insurance.
Okay.
And aside from this, I can also see in your file that you might be dealing with some unsecured debt, such as credit card debt or personal loan.
What does my health care insurance have to do with unsecured debt?
Because as of the moment, we're helping people to be eligible for the program that we have
Program for what?
for the debt.
What's that got to do with my health care insurance and grocery cards?
Mm-hmm.
I'm confused. Who are you with? Wendy fucked up her scam. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Right, so this is Grace from State Records Division. So this call is regarding the unclaimed funeral offset currently showing as unverified and pending release for your local county in California. These are the new 2026 state-approved cash offsets designed to cover end-of-life expenses. Because your record is showing a critical gap, it was actually flagged for closure. Has anyone from the verification office reached out to you yet?
No, because it doesn't exist.
Listen, nobody likes talking about this, but with your file currently marked as unverified, if something happened tomorrow, who in your family would be left handling that $10,000 cost?
The records division doesn't exist. That's where you fucked up, scammer. Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
So I'm Allison from Senior Benefits Center, and I'm reaching out because we're updating the California regional records. Your file is showing a missing final settlement status. which often results in families overpaying by thousands during a crisis. To ensure this is handled correctly, can you please confirm how old you are?
69.
You're qualified for the cash assistance plans, so please hold on for a second while I connect you with the benefit specialist from California.
Why from California? Okay.
Thank you so much for holding on the line. My name is Paul Johnson, and I am one of the senior product specialists. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Good to know that. Who do I have a pleasure of speaking with today?
Jennifer.
Okay. Jennifer, my full name is Paul Johnson, and I specialize in state-regulated final expense life insurance policies that are designed to cover the cost of the burial, cremation, and funeral expenses.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't mind me asking, what have you already set up for your final expenses?
Not much yet.
Okay.
I've been doing research, but that's about it.
Okay. So, ma'am, would it be helpful if I show you some affordable options?
Sure, we can do a comparative to what I already have.
All right. Jennifer, I talk to at least 20 people every day, ma'am, and I ask everyone this question. When you think about this, what matters most to you? Do you want to make sure
cremation and make sure there's money left over for my kids.
Okay. And how old are you, Jennifer?
69.
And what is your date of birth?
April 1st, 1957.
And your zip code?
44138.
And which insurance do you already have? What is the name of the company?
I don't have any. I said I've been doing research. I have quotes. That's why I said I wanted to do a comparative.
Oh, okay. Cool. Do you have the codes from Mutual of Omaha?
I do for 241.23.
Give me 1 second. Pull out some rates. 241.23 for 25,000.
Nope, 50,000.
Okay, got it.
But I don't think I'm going to go with them because they don't do the payout immediately. It's based on how long you've made payments in. So
exactly. Well, you are 69. You still qualify for the day one coverage as well.
But Mutual of Omaha doesn't have it. That's why I kind of crossed them off the list.
Exactly, ma'am. They have a 2 years waiting period on it.
Uh-huh.
All right. So I'm pulling out the rates from other company, American Home Life. They have a day one coverage.
Yep, that's for $215.99.
Do you have the codes from American Home Life as well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And how much coverage for $215.99?
50,000.
50,000. So you're looking for 50,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But I can only do 25,000, man. So I believe you have good codes already.
So why do you guys keep calling me if you guys can't give me the service I want?
I didn't know that you already have the codes for 50,000.
Yeah.
It was my first ever call, and you just said that you have the code.
This isn't the first time calling. I have like 300 recorded calls of you guys consistently calling me over and over and over again. If you're not going to provide me the service, why do you keep calling me?
But it was not me, neither my company. But the name of my company is Innovative Senior Benefit Solutions.
Yeah, Senior Benefit Solutions. I have about 300 recorded calls.
Innovative Senior Benefit Solutions.
You guys still call me over and over and over again. And you're still stupid, and you're the reason your country is a shithole. Because you're not even in the United States, are you? Hello? Is this another...
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, this is Ayla. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Nice. Glad to hear that. I'm calling to share information about final expense coverage that can help protect your family from end-of-life expenses and may offer affordable coverage options. So can you please confirm, are you between 50 and 80 years old?
I am.
Perfect. You're qualified for the low-cost final expense insurance plans. Let me connect you to the plan specialist. Please stay on the line.
Thank you so much for holding on the line. My name is Danny. Who do I got the privilege of speaking with today?
Jennifer.
Hey Jennifer, how are you doing today? Doing good so far?
Fine.
God bless. My name is Danny.
I'm an atheist.
And you are calling atheist. You don't believe in
yeah.
So, are you atheist by birth or you revert now?
I'm not a fool. So, do you guys have a $50,000 policy? Can you offer that, or are you just wasting my time?
Yes, we have.
Okay. Then we can continue this conversation.
Yes, what's your name? Jennifer, and how old are you?
69.
You make your own decision?
All by myself.
Okay. And what's your zip code?
44138. I don't smoke. I have no medical conditions. I do not take medications.
What's your last name?
I tell you.
Okay. Let me put it first.
Say again?
Are you a smoker? No.
I just said I
Are you
don't
a
smoke.
smoker or not?
I just said I don't smoke, so you don't pay attention either.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. I got you, ma'am. Are you going to use a cell phone or landline?
What does that matter?
Does matter. Are you able to receive a text message?
I do everything via email. There's too many scams that come through on text, so I don't acknowledge text.
Okay. Can I have your email?
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Let me give you my email. Are you ready?
Yes, I have.
JENNITALIA @gmail.com.
Okay, ma'am, got you. Okay, just okay. Okay, ma'am. Let me connect you with my senior supervisor. He will assist you further in details and provide you all discount back. If you found something good for yourself, you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can.
Am I going to have to repeat all of these things that you just asked me?
No, ma'am.
I better not.
Just go ahead. Stay on the line if you are interested. Otherwise, you can leave. Just
I am on the line,
what you want.
but I don't want to answer the questions again.
Just gonna fuck yourself.
Transfer me, you idiot.
You did too, you son of a bitch.
Oh, so you're a scammer. Click. Hello.
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 Hi, my name is Olivia. I'm calling to share information about final expense coverage that can help protect your family from end-of-life expenses and may offer affordable coverage options. So can you please confirm, are you between 50 and 80 years old?
I am.
You're now qualified for the new state-approved relief program. Let me connect you with our product specialist. Please stay on the line.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Thank you for holding on the line. This is Brett Mahler. How are you?
Fine.
Well, we are providing you information about final expense whole life insurance, which is designed to cover 100% cost of funeral, burial, cremation expenses. How old are you?
69.
At the age of 69, do you make your own health care decisions? Someone helps you?
I make my own decisions.
In order to pull out rate from your local area, what's your property zip code?
44138.
44138.
Correct.
And do you have a cell phone or landline number?
How is that any of your business?
I'm asking, do you have a cell phone or landline number?
How is that pertinent to whole life insurance?
Like, what do you say?
What does that have to do with whole life insurance?
Yeah, it's a whole life insurance that covers all of your funeral, burial, cremation. Other debts are obligation, or if you want to leave for their loved ones.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Who do I have pleasure speaking with today?
Jennifer,
Jennifer, your last name?
Italia.
So, ma'am, Jennifer, do you have a cell phone or landline number?
I do not see how that's relevant. You better explain to me how it's relevant.
Like cell phone or mobile number?
How is it? Tell me why you need to know.
Ma'am, basically my job is just to verify a few things from your side. Then I will transfer you call to senior licensed agent in your area. And he will send you some text and email if you confirm the...
Well, then I can give you my email, but I won't verify anything else because I do everything by email. I don't do anything by text.
Can I say something?
You're saying something now. You don't need my permission. He hung up. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, my name is Ayla. I'm calling to share information about final expense coverage
I'm
that can
sure
help
you are.
protect your family from end-of-life expenses
Mhm.
and may offer affordable coverage options. So can you please confirm, are you between 50 and 80 years old?
I am.
Perfect. You're qualified for the low-cost final expense insurance plans. Let me connect you to the plan specialist. Please stay on the line.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for holding on the line. This is Mike. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Good to know that. Well, ma'am, your call gets transferred away to me regarding final expense whole life insurance plan that
Okay.
is designed to cover. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, that's designed to cover end of life expenses like funeral, burial, cremation, last minute medical bills, or any debts and obligation that you may leave. Just to make sure you're qualified, how old are you?
69.
69, okay.
And who do I have pleasure of speaking with today?
Jennifer?
Jennifer, what's your last name?
Italia?
Kalia, okay. And you make your own financial decisions by yourself?
All by myself, I'm a big girl.
Okay, that's great. And are you speaking with me on your cell phone or it's a landline number?
That's none of your damn business.
That is my business.
No, it's not. Why do you need to know? Hello?
Hi, Jennifer. How are you doing?
Fine.
Right. Actually, this call is about whole life insurance plan. That is cover your funeral, burial, and cremation expense. Let me know how old are you?
69.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
April 1st, 1957.
April. What did you say?
April 1st, 1957.
Alright, G. And let me ask you one thing. Are you a smoker or non-smoker right now?
Non-smoker.
Non-smoker. Do you make your all financial decisions by yourself?
All by myself. I'm a big girl.
Alright. Oh, okay. Alright, G. So, I'm gonna connect your call with one of the licensed agents. Here we go.
Thank you for holding on. This is Jonathan. How are you doing today, Jennifer?
Fine.
Awesome. You were having a conversation with one of my associates about your whole life final expense insurance policy. As state benefit coordinator, I'll be assisting you and I'll be telling you about the codes and benefits that you can get from these policies today, okay?
Uh-huh.
Now, what's your zip code down there?
44138.
Perfect. And do you make all of your financial decisions by yourself or
All by myself. I'm a big girl.
Yes, you are. Now, Jennifer, do you already have a life insurance policy or you don't?
I do not.
Okay, so this is going to be your first time, right?
That... If I do not have it, it sounds like that'd be my first time, right?
Because some people try life insurance policy, but, you know, they drop the policy, so that means they don't have it. But...
What? You're not making any sense, but whatever.
You're not making any sense. It's common sense.
You just asked me if this is my first time after I told you I don't have it. Duh!
I asked you, do you have a life insurance policy or you don't? You said no.
Mm-hmm.
I asked you, this is going to be your first time that you're gonna apply for a policy. Some people already applied for a policy, but they don't pay for that policy. That means they don't have it. But that doesn't mean
whatever, move on.
For it.
But you're wasting my time now.
What do you mean you're wasting my time?
You called me dipshit. You're the reason that your country is a shithole country. You're not even in the United States, are you? That's what I fucking thought. Hello?
Hello.
Oh,
Hi, my
God.
name is Kinsley. I'm calling to share information about final expense coverage that can help protect your family from end-of-life expenses and may offer affordable coverage options. So, can you please confirm, are you between 50 and 80 years old?
I am.
Perfect. You're qualified for the low-cost final expense insurance plans. Let me connect you to the plan specialist. Please stay on the line.
Sure.
Final expense department. This is Alan. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Alright, did you know that? May God bless you with more house.
I'm an atheist.
Jennifer. Okay. So ma'am, once again, my name is Alan. I'm the senior verification officer. This call is about your final expense insurance plan that covers your funeral, burial, and cremation expenses. So you are 69 years old?
Correct.
Your zip code is 44138, right?
Correct.
Okay. So ma'am, you're using cell phone or you have a landline?
What? What kind of question is that?
I said you are using cell phone or you are using landline.
And why is that any of your business?
Ma'am, that means if you have a landline, you are not able to receive text messages on it.
I can receive emails. All the other insurance companies, all the other insurance companies I know, no, don't care if I have cell phone companies. Are you legitimate or are you a criminal?
Oh my.
Hello.
Hi, this is Maya calling on behalf of Home Equity Benefit. On the recorded line, how are you doing today?
Fine.
Well, the reason we're called in, we're running a campaign for homeowners who are looking for cash out options, like to pay off their debt or to do some home renovations, but cannot qualify for the loan. So we're helping those homeowners to look for the options with no refinance, no interest rate, and no monthly payment limit. So am I talking with the owner of the house?
You are?
Okay, that's great. So ma'am, have you ever tried getting a loan in the past 12 months?
Like what kind of loan?
Any kind of loan, like mortgage loan, auto loan.
Not,
Like in the past 12 months, have you taken any kind of loan?
I have not.
Okay, that's fine. And are you looking for cash for your home equity to pay off any kind of debt like mortgage loan, auto loan, or you want to do any home improvements like windows, doors, roof, fences, or any medical bills, anything like that?
I haven't thought about it until now.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's why we're calling. We're just giving free quotations. You can write that down. You can take a pen and paper, write that down, talk with your friends and family. That's why we're going to give a ballpark figure. You can think about it, and if you find it suitable for yourself, we can take it. Well, otherwise, there's no obligations.
Okay. What am I writing down?
Yeah, so, well, I can help you talk to my senior supervisor. He's just standing right next to me. I just have to give my headphone to him, and he will guide you further with all the information that you need. You can write that down, talk with the friends and family, and if it makes sense, you can call us back. Okay?
But your number's a spoof number. Where do I call you back at?
Yeah, we're gonna give you a callback number. We're gonna give you the license agent. Like, I can help you talk to my supervisor. They can guide you way better than me. Okay?
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
give me
Just
a moment.
transfer me. God. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Here you go.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Aaron Taylor, and I'm the supervisor on a recorded line. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Great, wonderful. I will not take much of your time. We're running a campaign for homeowners who want to test cash from their equity and just want to check out the options to pay off the debts or any kind of home improvements they want to do. We're trying to help them out by giving them a quotation, so that they can think about it. This program is called Home Equity Investments, and we just want you to have a look at the options, note it down, discuss with the family. If you think it's making sense, call us back and let us know. If you think no, you can stay where you are, no obligations, okay? So she was telling me that you were the owner of the house, right? And
Yeah, but she said,
you may need
but
some
she
cash.
said this loan was to use to pay off a mortgage. But how do you pay off the mortgage if you're taking a loan out on the equity? That doesn't make sense.
All right, okay. Well, this is not loan, okay? That's why in the beginning, not to be confused with home equity loan or home equity line of credit or reverse mortgage. Okay, how it works? You need the cash today, right? And you paid. Whatever you need the cash, right? You can access cash equivalent to the equity, right, through this program, and you can pay any of your debts, right? Even if you want to pay off like your mortgage debt or something like that, right? So,
But the house is
what
used as
happens is that
collateral, right?
okay, right. Okay, it would be a contract, a mutual agreement, right, where you take the cash and you pay it back like after 10, 25 of the 10, 15, 25. It depends on what we
What?
mutually agree, right? It depends on what we mutually agree, or whenever you sell your house, like after 10, 15, 20 years, whenever you do that, or we are going to mutually decide how much, how it's going to work. I have a licensed person who will explain you this program more in a more better way, right? So how this
I would
program
hope
works.
so, because I think you just confused me in the worst possible way.
All right. Okay. I guess. Let me tell you that there will be a surprise for you. Okay. What time suits you the best? Like mornings, evenings,
Now.
afternoons? Okay. Now it's not possible because he's occupied. It's the last hour of our day. So I would have done immediately, right? Would that be okay if I fix a time for tomorrow morning or afternoon or evening, whatever you like?
It's a now or never thing. I'm not really sold on what you have. You just confused me. It makes no sense whatsoever.
All right. Okay. Let me tell
So
you
either
again,
get me
right?
someone on the line that can explain it thoroughly and comprehensively, or
Sure.
this is over. Up to you.
All right. Sure. Okay. Just last example, ma'am. Let me tell you that
Oh
what
my
part of
God.
home equity investments, how it works. Okay.
Mhm.
You take the cash. Okay. You take the cash and you pay it back whenever you sell your house or according to a mutual agreement. Okay. There would be a percentage on the
But
future
then,
value
okay,
of
but
the
see,
house.
here's the thing. You and that woman before you told me I could take the cash and pay off my mortgage, but that's not possible if you guys have collateral in it. So it makes no sense. It makes zero sense what you're saying. So get me someone who can explain it to me, the licensed agent, who isn't contradicting themselves with their own descriptions.
Well, I understand what you're saying. Maybe you're not getting the point. The point is that
No, you said, okay, I asked you, does the house become collateral? You said yes. And then you said I could take the money and pay off the mortgage. How do you pay off a mortgage when someone else has collateral on your home? You clearly do not know how this program works.
It's not a collateral, ma'am. It's gonna be investing the property, right?
But you said that if I sell the house, I would be using the equity or taking the proceeds from the sale to reimburse. How does that means you have a stake in the house?
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, you have a stake in the house. So how am I paying off the mortgage when I'm giving somebody else ownership over it, just not the bank?
Okay. Let me ask you, how much is still owe on the mortgage?
It's paid off.
It's paid off, right? Okay. What is the value per house?
Probably $500,000.
$500,000, right?
If I sold it now, less real estate agent fees, I would have a $500,000 check in my hand. But if I did what you said, I would have to give you a portion of that. That tells me I'm not paying off the mortgage.
All right. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter. That it depends on what kind of need you have, any kind of loan you have. For example, car loan, medical bills. If you have a loan, if your mortgage is paid off, there is no sense of paying the mortgage, right?
You're missing the point of my question.
Yes. No. I'm sorry. Please.
If I had a mortgage,
yes,
I would not be paying it off, because if I sold the house, I'd have to pay back the bank and you, which means you have collateral in the home. You have a stake in the house. So I would not technically be paying off the mortgage. Now, would I? Would just be going from one debtor to another.
Oh, no. This is, let me explain you, ma'am. Okay.
You know what? Like I said, get me a licensed agent who can explain it a hell of a lot better than what you're saying.
Sure, ma'am. That's why from the beginning I was trying to take a time that tomorrow or
now
from Monday to Friday.
Because I don't want you wasting my time. This is either explain to me now, or this is your fault if you can't get me somebody. It's not my problem.
Okay,
you called me. You guys called me.
Yes, ma'am. One last example, right? Okay.
Oh my God.
Your house is worth $500,000 today, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it goes up to after 10, 20 years, it's gonna be $600,000. Let's say an example, right? So after 20 years, let's say the house worth is $600,000 now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do, right? The money that you're looking for, let's suppose you're looking for $100,000 cash today, right? So the ownership remains yours. There would be a separate contract, okay? The ownership remains yours, but there would be a contract, right? After 10, 20, 25 years, right? That whatever the future value of the house would be, let's say the increased amount is, 100,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
From now. So a specific percentage on that, usually it's between 5 to 20%, but the licensed agent is the one who will tell you that how the program works, right? So the percentage only on the increased amount on that 100,000. Let's say if it was 20,000, right?
Honey, is this making sense to you?
It takes an increase on the percentage of the value of the house.
Say it louder.
Yes.
Say what?
So,
say what?
So what you're going to give us back is 100,000 plus the 20% or 5%, whatever we decide, right? Of that increased amount. So,
But by the way, honey, he's saying we could take this money off and pay off the mortgage. So does this make sense to you?
well, people do that. People does that.
How do you pay off a mortgage when you're just moving the collateral somewhere else?
It's not collateral, ma'am. It's a total separate thing. It's you're investing in your house. We're taking a stake in return of the money that you're looking for. For example, for example, your house is close to a bankruptcy. Foreclosure, right? And you just want to get rid of this payment, right? So what you're gonna do if you wanna keep your home that way? What you're gonna do? The option you would have to, instead of going towards a foreclosure, right? You give a stake, right? With that small money.
But I'm not in that situation, and nothing you're saying is making sense. Even my husband is sitting there looking at. Even my husband's looking at you like you've lost your damn mind.
All right. Okay. Well, have a look at the. Okay.
I can't have a look at anything. You won't transfer me to a licensed agent who can explain it, who actually does know what he's talking about.
All right. Okay. I understand, ma'am, what you're trying to say. Okay. Do search home equity investments, right, on the internet. You will find it how it works and how people actually even buy new properties against the cash they borrow, right? So thank you very much for your time, and I'm sorry I wasn't able to explain you the way you were actually trying.
Well, I'm not going to do business with anybody who uses an international call center either.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.
You are the reason why you live in a shithole country.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.